stains on the paper you gave me, notes filled with your handwriting, doodles and scribbles in the margins, little pieces of you everywhere. I can't throw this away, even though it's worn and faded. Your traces are all over this page, and I'm holding on, can't let go, won't let go. Coffee stains, coffee stains, your marks all over this page, notes and doodles, your traces remain. I can't throw you away, this crumpled paper in my hand, your words that I understand. Coffee stains, coffee stains, you're still here in these stains. Years have passed, but the coffee is still there, darkening the words you would have memorized every line, every imperfection I adore. This fragile piece of you is all I have left now, so I keep it close in pockets and drawers. Can't let go, won't let go. Coffee stains, coffee stains, your marks all over this page, notes and doodles, your traces remain. I can't throw you away, this crumpled paper in my hand, your words that I understand. Coffee stains, coffee stains, you're still here in these stains. The ink is fading now, like you're disappearing, but these stains keep you here. In this moment, frozen in time, let me keep this, let me keep you in coffee stains. Coffee stains,